It's time to spice things up with another margarita variation. I personally love margaritas, and any chance I get to add a new twist, I try it. It's December, and in my house, it means it's time for holiday cocktails. And I'm making you 25 straight days of cocktails to help you get through any holiday party, or to give you an extra cocktail tool to get you through the holiday season. And if you enjoy these short cocktail videos and want to be notified each day I drop one, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified. And for day 15, I'm making you a cranberry margarita. So let's head to the bar and make this. So for this drink, you're gonna need a blanco tequila as well as Cointreau. There are a lot of orange liqueurs you could use, but Cointreau is just the top end for me. Additionally, you'll need some lime juice, cranberry juice, and agave nectar. And for garnish, I'm gonna be using cranberries as well as some lime peel. And the tools I need for this drink are a shaker set, a hawthorn strainer, and a fruit peeler. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this drink are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, I'm adding in 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Next, I'm adding in 1 ounce of lime juice. Now it's time to add 1.5 ounces of blanco tequila. Next, add 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. And lastly, add 1/4 ounce of agave syrup. Now add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Bring out a rocks glass filled with ice and strain everything into the rocks glass. And garnish with fresh cranberries and a lime peel. And there you have it, the cranberry margarita. Cheers. I'm not gonna lie, this basically tastes like a margarita, and I can tell there's cranberry juice in it because of the pink color. So as for quality is concerned, I enjoyed this drink. There might be a subtle hint of cranberry on the back end of the drink, but for the most part, this is just an undeniable margarita. Either way, I enjoy it, and you can tell your friends, hey, do you want a holiday margarita? I got a cranberry margarita I can make you. And they might convince themselves that it's festive and special, but in the end, you ultimately know it's just a margarita. So in the comments, let me know, would you try this drink? If so, let me know. And additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a lot. But until next time, cheers.